Alright, I got an Ilco key machine. It's probably about from 1960 to 1975, somewhere in there. Picked it up in an estate sale. It looks pretty good. The motor works good, quiet. Everything seems to be okay. It's a little bit dirty, been sitting for a while. The belt has got a little bit of a split in it, as you can see right there. It still seems to work with it. It will need a new belt. I have not tried to cut a key with it, but I'm going to try right now. See what happens. Put it in the wrong one. I've only seen this done. Alright, let's give it a try and see what it does here. Just a key I picked up at the local hardware store, the blank. Want to make sure that it fit. Look at that. There we go. Key machine seems to be working good. Again, it's an Ilco. Model number I'm not certain of. It says Independent Lock Company on the main frame badge here. My camera's not so good, I do apologize. So I'm guessing, like I said, probably 60 to 75, somewhere in that year range. It's a very heavy machine. It weighs about 40 pounds. It's got a GE electric motor. And again, it seems to work pretty good.